Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. So what are you looking at? You are looking at a fully restored set of CIS intake runners, date stamped 1981. So these are the small ports, and we're actually going to sell this set. So all 6 of them, they've got brand new fuel injector holders, brand new O-rings put in September of 2022 today. So not old, nasty things that are going to leak. So no work required if you are redoing your CIS system. These have been completely restored, coated with Bow Shield. They are absolutely ready to go. And these are date coded 1981, all 6 of them. So I'm going to throw these up on our eBay store. But if you get this video and you see it before it goes up on eBay, give us a call or check us out at BreitWerks.com. Thanks for watching.